What up, you guys? I am on the way to a high school currently in Ohio where I'm going to be doing a drone demo talking about drone careers, and I'm representing the Ohio State University. So, hope everything goes well. It's a little rainy. Hopefully it settles down and we can do the drone demo. But, yeah. What up, guys? So we made it here finally. I got the Wingtra here we're gonna display. Everyone always thinks that's super cool and draws attention. We got the Autel Max 4T in the back. Hopefully we'll be able to get to do that drone demo. If not, no big deal. We'll still get to have a lot of fun talking about drones. And I'm actually partnering with USI. Ohio State is. They're one of the largest drone training curriculum softwares. And they're really good. So we'll meet up with them and set up our table. See you out there. So we got the Autel Evo Max with the thermal camera. We got the Wingtra down here, but it's got a broken wing, as you can see, so that's why we use it for display. Got the Autel Evo 2 payload, and that's its controller. There you go.